Right. My camera ran out, data card was full. So I got that shop and come in and unload the videos I made on a computer. And I'll get in all the creels now. Seem to have got more data to film. Right, we're off. Now it's the first creel there with a foam float. Go down. Now it's just a bit of logging, a bit of pipe logging, and a bit of twine. And this is the umbrella creels, so they didn't need a heavy rope to haul them. Now we're going to get a lobster ready here, fit. Got a few small codlins last time I hauled them. Little wee codlins. There we go. Now, a couple of partings again. Shaft this. A couple of partings again. And some velvet. Roll up my sleeves. Come on, Paul. Small parting. Now, they're half a black looking. And here, I don't know if it's edible like that. Velvet crabs again. And a grindy, ready for action as usual. Come on, Paul. Come on, look, you'll lose your nut up. You keep pudding. Lose your nut up. Keep pudding on. A grindy ready for action again. There's a parting here, a sheep parting. And I'm hoping I get a dude through the eye. I don't know how I managed to get in. Squeezed ourselves in. Somehow. Now, female parting, the big purse on her, just one nipper. A bit of weight about it, you know. want a wee part in. Wee roddick we got him. Wee bruin crab. Weer velvet. Oh look. They're grindy, ready for action. Nappy. Oei. Nou, a couple of partons and some velvets. And down here, look what we've got down here. This is a bonny lad. Look at this lad. Come on now. Jaffa slidey. Come on, look. Look at this lad. Wait. A bonny lad. I think that's a rockland, but I'm not sure if it type. There's 2 beards on him. There you go, Paul. Back to where he belongs. Right, I've stuck a bait back in here and shot it away again. Tried it a wee bit further in this thing. In 6 meters. Now there was more velvets in that in. This is the umbrella creel things. There's more velvets in that in, but I see there's a hole here, look. So something's chawed out and escaped. So I'll patch it up, put a bait in and shoot it away again for the next day. Now it's umbrella number 2. Shoot away, fresh bait in. I've patched it up. Now I've shot that in further in and out, and 6 meters of water. Oh, one hole that's a dream. If I can see it. Oh, that's it about here. Waar in this way. Morovski, get away. Let's see him with the water bottle float. Good. Now this is actually in 11 meters of water. It's marking, it's showing like a fish down here, but I don't know if you've got seaweed there. Marking fish. Should have been fish in here. Right, we'll haul her up and see if I get any. Full of velvets again. That's a good size in here. Well, it's not full of velvets. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a good size in here, like 4 velvets. No lobsters, no pardons. So I'll just bait them up and show them away again. That's that creel. It was in a sorry state in the shore and full of patches. Susan on the shore with floss. Right, it's 5-6 meters again. So I'll show that here. That's what was on my creels. 2 or 3 velvets, hermit crab, and a couple of pardons, a couple of sheep pardons. Yeah, we'll just let it go. I want to let them all go. Oh, he disappeared in his shell. Right, I'll let him go. Clear water. Now much more dispersion. The pardons on their back. Yeah. A good sized female pardon. But she's got black underneath again. I don't know what's okay to eat or no, but I'll let her go after. Just the one claw. One look.